Hey everyone, how's it going? Happy Thursday. Green Day today, $139 and 44 cents. Um yeah, today was good. Just not a lot of opportunities today. There was one that I didn't want to enter that just popped up, RITR. If we look at this one, let me just give me 1 second. RITR just started spiking up. Yearly was had previous resistance at 7.5, and it was coming up over that, and then it halted, showed resistance above 8. I didn't hop in this one because I have to go to work, but would have been a great trade. It halted down immediately. So too bad there, but also a little bit of a riskier play because it can keep squeezing up. It wasn't up too much. I'll start with SRFM. This one was fine. It just took a while to get out, and I'm filming this recap because I thought I would end up holding this and then just monitoring it from my phone, but I just got filled for my to get out at like a little bit of profit, slightly above break even. Um, Took my short at 3-1. Looking at like pre-market, it was just showing some sort of chop action, nothing crazy. Yearly chart wasn't looking super bullish. So I took my short, I started my short here. Um, Oops, this is not good. Started my short here. Covered into this chop. I saw 3 was holding hard. And same thing as like yesterday. I wasn't too worried about it. Damn, wish I held this a little bit. But um, I was expecting it to break down. It didn't end up doing that. It squeezed up. And so this will happen in pre-market. And that's why I try to be patient with my entries and see where it tops out. So made one leg up, consolidated, made the second leg up where I added at like 325 it looks like. And then came down, and then after this third leg up, I was like, okay, it has a big red candle. Volume likely topped out here. Now I can try to play in this range and then cover to VWAP. Um, so that's how I managed this one. Did another ad here, very light ads on here, and here, and then added some more here, expecting it to come higher, which it did. Um, I covered into VWAP for a slight gain, and then I was holding about $1,000 in my position, looking to cover kind of here where it is now. Um, didn't end up coming back down, so I added a little bit at 344 because I was seeing that resistance, and then every time it would break above, it would get shorted. So I didn't add any more here. I had an order at 3.6 um as like my ideal entry. I wanted to break above this one more time and take the short since this kept getting shorted. Um it never got there. Eventually covered for a little bit of profit on this break under VWAP. I definitely should have held, but that's okay. Of course, when I'm filming this recap and about to go to work, the trade works in my favor. But that's okay. VOR was a solid opportunity. It started spiking up into well, it was showing overextension. We had this like down move here that was pretty substantial from 1.18 to about 0.98, and then it came up, got shorted, it started popping up again, and so I added into the pop. So it did an add right there. Um, Let me see what this entry was. This was 1.14. I think my second ad was at like 1.3. It topped out at 1.2, and then I covered into this halt down. Covered the rest here. Definitely could have held. But again, like start of the move was here. God, this is okay. Every time I scroll my mouse, it changes the pen size. Um, the profit target was here, and then we were under that, so I was like, I'll just get out. This is a solid win for only a $750 position. 123 is really good. I believe it's like 15%, something like that, maybe a little more. But yeah, that's all the trades for today. There wasn't a lot happening. Not a ton of opportunities except for the one that I showed you at the start of this video. Was a good one, but yeah, thanks for watching. Quick recap today, and peace.